Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a little series called MW3 Infected, where me and my friend Base Kilo here say hi.
Hi.
We're going to be playing MW3 Infected just for the fun of it. And yeah, let's get it started.
Hey, my name isn't Base Kilo, it's Robert. Like, oh my god.
That would be bad.
Crap. Okay, I thought, like, for some reason...
I just accidentally hit my knee on the door and my whole mic fell down. Crap.
Oh my god. No, I'm already... I protect you. I'll protect you.
Alright, we're good. Let's play.
Okay. I haven't played this game in so
this
long.
Is the part.
Like, oh my god.
I'm gonna start it at where the loading screen was, so we're recording now.
Okay.
What?
Do
No,
another
we're
intro.
good. No, I'm just gonna. That was the intro, and then I'm cutting out the part where we.
Oh. Okay. Gotcha! Okay, so they still know I'm Robert. So they still know I'm Robert and I'm sexy, right?
I'm the secret one right here. I forgot what still was.
So yeah, this is this
Hello,
is MW3
subscribers.
Infected on one of the weirdest looking Call of Duties made because it has like a brown skin, if you guys haven't noticed that.
What? No,
Well,
it's like blue.
it's a little blue, but it's kind of brown.
Huh? There you go. You know what? I give up.
I'm done. You're
done.
just a pussy, Dad. Yeah, we still like Breaking Dad. That hasn't changed anything. Oh wait, no, you guys haven't seen that video yet. Aha!
Yep, I'm uploading this before I upload that. Oh, upcoming guys, GTA San Andreas 2.
We just made it like 20 minutes ago, or not even 20 minutes ago, like 5 seconds ago.
20 seconds.
Ah!
I got one kill. Oh god. Oh my god, that's so close to me.
Okay.
Run.
I'm out to get you.
Run.
Cause you guys are starting to get overrun now. Yeah, there's 9 of us A to B. Oh no, there's 9 of us A to B now. Okay. 8.
Sounds. Oh.
Baker won't get a move though.
I did get a move before. I should record that. I'm probably not gonna get a move this game though. Good. Yeah, we are really good. Crap. I see you, Kilo.
Come on, Baker. Come on, Baker. Come on.
You got knocked the fuck out, bitch!
Ladies and gentlemen, he saw it right there, that ownage. 8-1.
Where is this last little dirty?
I always wanted to get a final throwing knife for this. Oh no, there's still 5 of them left. Like, you know my tactical insertion back. I ought to put it right here. I'm gonna stick it over there.
How many are left? 1?
Or 3.
Maybe 2?
Look at the thing.
3.
Oh, 1
Oh,
left.
yeah, it's in the bottom left. Here we go.
Give me a throwing knife. Dang it.
Okay. Do you want to do it like every 3 games and then we'll stop recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
I need to have a lot of footage
So
for the week because I'm not going to be recording. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. You get to see 2 more games.
2 games. 2 games.
I'm debating if I should cut this out.
Yeah, just leave it. It's okay.
Alright, well, if it's still like, because that was 4 minutes, so it will be 12 minutes maybe. No, if it's over 13, I'm cutting it because it's gonna take a while. Just set it off. Just set it off. Whatever, how do I set it off? You guys can look at my class. Nope, no, you can't. Have you seen the Have you seen the One Flag CTF game type?
On Black Ops 2.
Mm-hmm.
I haven't played it yet, but yeah, I have seen it.
Oh. Yeah, it looks fun. Alright, oh, FMG9s. I know where the camping spot is. Robert's gonna be first infected. I called it. I called it. It's gonna happen. I called it.
It's not even. It's probably gonna be you.
Alright.
In fact, I know it's going to be Jay Bally. I know it's going to be Jay Bally.
Dang it.
Oh, dang it. Oh, that guy scared the shit out of me. Oh yeah, the first one has a gun, doesn't he?
Yep.
Boop.
Dude, Robert, get back to the camping spot. What are you doing?
I'm going solo with some YOLO and some polo t-shirts and
Poyo. Oh yeah, Poyos, Hermanos.
Chicken. Damn, but some good ass chicken.
Why are you putting your C4 down?
Because you're gay, faggot.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I remember right here was like invincible. You shoot through the fence and they can't knife the fence, so they have to get around you. So all you have to do is just...
I can't believe this many people still play this game. Like, this is a lot of people.
Yeah. Pretty much Infected is like the most played game type. Probably, I don't know. I haven't used my own gun in MW3 in a while. Alright, are we getting... No, there's still 6 of them.
You spin me left round, baby, left round, cause I'm spinning to the left, yeah. You know there's a flashlight on the FMG9?
Oh crap, I didn't even notice. But
yeah.
There, you can't even use it though.
And
right,
then again, you're dual wielding the things too. You're dual wielding submachine gun.
Oh god, I heard a throwing knife.
Here, I'm gonna hide underneath this umbrella, so if they throw them from above, they can't hit me. Got it.
Share.
Oh, you dick!
How the heck? Oh, I saw you. Oh, I see your dead body. Oh my!
Someone's about to die, and I know it's gonna rhyme with Baker, cause it's Baker. God damn it, oversized.
Surprise, motherfucker!
There's so many FMG bullets that my frame rate is lagging. Uh-oh, we just broke your barrier.
I'm running away.
You're one of them. You're one of us. Shut up. There's only 3 of them left. Let's go find them.
Found him. Oh, come on. Dang it, I knew he was gonna
Dang.
too.
You just got blown.
Final survivor. Oh, I think I know where he is.
Isn't the UAV gonna pop any second now?
No, it doesn't have a UAV for this.
I thought it just went like, yeah, it scans one time. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
See? They can't camp and just win. Okay.
Victory. Good work, comrade.
Got him.
I like how I threw it in completely the wrong place. It's game number 2. 4 and 5, not bad, not bad. Woo.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. It's not even my channel, but I just said that.
Dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can make a channel in a second once we sometime meet each other.
Delta team.
And
When I bring the stuff in a brown bag.
Yeah. Well, it doesn't have to be brown. It could be black bag. Anything but white bag.
Nah, it has to be brown bag.
I
Why
got
are you
you.
running like a juggernaut?
Because I'm holding the dual-wield pistols. The super OP pistols. Let's go over here and camp.
These aren't super OP. The TMP dual wield or TMP silence is OP.
Only camp right here.
No, this is pretty gay.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go to the spot instead. My friend got 23 kills, and then I throwing knifed him, and he just got off.
I can see why he would get off. Oh yeah, you can still wrist twist in this game, can't you? Yep. Let's go up here where all the rest of these dirties are camping.
No, Robert.
But I want to be normal, Amari.
No.
Normal.
We're different. Yeah, we're different.
No, I'm normal. Yeah, I'm normal. I trapped this guy in the corner.
We got you. Are
Nah,
you gonna kill yourself? Oh wait, you can't.
You can't! Yuck. No, we're being human meat shields for him. What are we doing? Stop.
Oh god, they're gonna get it through the window. They're gonna throw one through the window. Chill out.
Oh, you tried. That's cute. I can hear them.
God, I gotta hurry up and get sleight of hand. Oh god, oh god.
Oh god, no. How about you get off the stairs and just come up here?
No, I'm protecting us.
And then when you die, we know when to run.
Oh god, oh god!
Dang. Oh god, our game wars are going off.
That's why I'm here.
Did you put down your game war yet, Amari?
Ah! Run! It's lagging, what the heck?
What? I just got a triple kill.
Lost connection to host. Alright, well that's the end of this session for MW3 Infected. I'm sorry it had to end so quickly, but yeah. Actually, it was 13 minutes, so it wasn't that long. So, yeah. See you guys later.
Bye-bye.